When I attended the IPPA conference this year, I learned a new term, and it was micro business. So I was curious what a micro business was. According to the Small Business Administration, a micro business is one that employs 10 or fewer employees. So a lot of the clients that we work with are actually considered micro businesses, whereas small businesses, at least according to Small Business Administration, can be up to 500 employees. So when we say we do payroll and we specialize in small business payroll, we are not talking about the 500-man groups. We really focus on clients that have 1 to 25 employees. So that does include the solopreneurs, the S-Corp owners that are just processing payroll for themselves, and then up to 25 employees. We can do larger groups, but again, that is just our specialty. That's where we are able to add the most value, and we really enjoy working with those groups as well. So if you're a micro business, we would love to hear from you. As always, you can find us online at valorpayrollsolutions.com.